So over here in the team space right here, what I'm going to do is let's just go ahead and create out a new empty base or empty database, let's say for example right here. So now in the empty database, I'm going to go ahead and say something like tasks right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and say meeting minutes. So let's say I want to assign this to a particular person right here. In that case, in database, you can actually go ahead and assign a particular person for it. So you can see that this is what you have. So let's just go ahead and then let's say, for example, edit the property right here, just like this, or open in a side beat right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can actually go around and add in property for this particular task right here. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, person right here. So in the person, what I can actually do is go around over here and assign people who is responsible for this. For example, I'm going to assign this person and this person right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, they have been assigned the task, and that is how you can go ahead and assign people in the database right here. So now over here, as the other user in the inbox, let's say for example, you can see that they get something like it says TutorTube mentioned you in meeting minutes. So if I were to go ahead and click on it, then you can see that this particular task right here in database has been assigned to you, and you can simply go ahead and then add in, let's say for example, some details right here. Let's say for example files and media, and then you can go ahead and add in, let's say for example, a meeting minute as you want. So let's say for example, I'm just going to go around over here onto my drive. Let me just go ahead and assign a random file to it. So let's just go ahead and assign this. So you can just go ahead, and as you mentioned, this is how you can go ahead and collaborate, as you can see. And that is how you can assign people in database in Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.